in the comments below how long you guys usually go without washing your hair. I'm curious to know. Now I'm going to add a little bit of texture. I'm using like Dry Volume Burst, that's what it's called, the Kenra. It's the first bottle I've ever bought and I really like it. Only like a number 3 hold, so it adds just enough of grit. I'm gonna pick it up and drop it while I spray. Now mind you, messy buns, they've been around for a very long time. I'm a 90s girl and I've been doing my hair this way since then. In fact, fun fact, I went to cosmetology school once I graduated high school in 1998. However, I only had been to a salon one time, that was to get my hair styled for prom my junior year, and I absolutely hated it. She did not do what I asked. My nails looked amazing though. I loved my nails. The girl that did my nails did a very good job. My mom always went to the salon. She went every, 3 months or so to get a trim and a highlight, and I just never did. I just had long, straight up. If I can get a picture, my hair is just basically one color. It's my natural hair color, one length, long and curly. She would just trim it for me. She always cut my hair. Oh. Well, this is a style that I've actually been doing for a long time. You need 0 elastics, you only need bobby pins, and it's actually very simple. It only takes me a couple minutes to do. I'm gonna go a little slower showing you guys, obviously. What I'll do is I get the front out of my way. I'm gonna do it just the bangs first, and I'm gonna where I want it to lay. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin, open it with my mouth, so it looks like this. All right, so you want to slide it in. See where my thumb is? Because I want the flat of the bobby pin going over top, so you don't have a little whoop. Now we have that in place. And actually, I can go like this if you wanted to. I just literally lift it up, get some hair, and I'm gonna connect it right to where this bobby pins are. Go right here. Open up my pin, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the other side. So I kind of put it right here, and then wrap it around, and then push it straight down. Do the same thing. How's it look from the back? I'm actually going to do a video where I trim my layers up, and my bangs, and my face framing. Actually, I probably already posted these videos, so I'll put them below. I don't want to clip it to the top part, so I'll just clip it here. I'm going to have bobby pins probably in my mouth, so I'm not going to talk. Just watch. I'm going to bring it all forward. Normally I wouldn't do it this way, but just for the sheer fact of showing you guys. Oh, they look like Prince. Yeah, I'm not going to quit my day job, don't worry. Alright, 2 more bobby pins here. I'm going to angle. Make sure there's enough over here, okay. And bring it over to this side. Bobby pin. Alright, it's kind of a sexy look. Now I'm just going to flip it all back, and it's going to look really weird right now. And yes, I would actually wear this like this back in the day. So now what I do is drink more coffee. Maybe even, man, this is really soft. Alright, so what I would usually do is kind of grab these ends and stick them up. Let me show you. I don't know how good it's going to look because I'm not loving this side. Need a little more grip. I'm getting the Kenra 25 out. I'm gonna spray and scrunch and spray and scrunch. I have no idea what the back looks like. And there you have it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up below. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do that. Say hello. I'd love to hear from you guys. I always love hearing from my subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and you're what is keeping my channel going. So thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm just gonna... It is almost dry. Makeup brush. Hair.